Okay, gonna do a quick review on $8 Homeline Bleach Cleaner. Kills household germs, clean and deodorizes surfaces. This is a product, like I said, you get Family Dollar. Family Dollar has a money back guarantee on their products. If you're not happy with them, you can take them back, get your money back. It's a pretty good little product. Bleach smells pretty light. It's not really, you can't really smell the bleach too bad. It's not real strong bleach smell like some bleach cleaners have when you use them. It's good for cleaning, kitchen cleaning, bathroom cleaning. You can wait a minute. Sorry about that. Jay likes getting a drink out of the sink. And she doesn't want to wait a minute. I'll get her a drink out of the sink when I get done with this. You got a little nozzle here. And spray pump. And close the nozzle where you won't waste it. You won't get sprayed by accident. Especially if you got little kids like we do here. You don't have to worry about spraying accidentally, getting it all and wasting it. This is a 24-ounce bottle of it. Roommate got it. I don't know how much it runs at the store. I don't know how much they charge for it. Probably $2-3. Probably about 3 or 4. It's probably about $2.99. Probably about $2.99, $3.99 bottle. Really, it's a good little product if you use around the house, cleaning and sanitizing your kitchen and bathroom areas with showers and everything. This is Family Dollar's Homeline Bleach Cleaner. You can buy it, but Jade, you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait. I'm almost done. You buy it at your nearest Family Dollar store to where you work or live. Like I said, I think it's probably about $2.99, $3.99 bottles, probably what it runs. I don't know the price right offhand.